Welcome to Dap for Do. Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make this easy pom-pom latkans or kuchulu for your sarees, dupattas, your tops or anything which you would like to use for. They'll be very beautifully dazzling. So the material needed for this are pom-poms of your choice, needle and thread, gold and pearl beads, scissor and marker. I have a saree which have multiple colors on it, so I've made this pom-poms and you can check the description box for the making of this. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to give a equal distance marking. I'm adding around 1.5 inches of the marks. So for the latkans, I am using a gold bead, a pearl bead and then one pom-pom. If you wish, you can add more beads. I'm using normal needle and thread. I've knotted the thread at the end. Just pass the pom-pom through the needle, then the pearl and a golden bead. I'm adding the golden bead on top because my saree is in little pearlish color, so the gold would reflect. Just pass through the piping loop which we have made, which will be there on the saree, and then pass through the beads again back and once again pass through the pom-pom to fix it on place. So I'll show it to you in little closer way. Just pass the pom-pom through the needle, then the beads one after the other and push it to the end. Just pass it through the edge of the saree and then once again on the loop, and then put back the needle passing through the same pearls and the beads which we have put, and just pass it through again the pom-pom to fix it across and trim it. So this is how I've made half of the palla of the saree with the pom-poms in equal distance. Now I'll show you another simple method wherein you will pass through the pom-pom and the beads in the same way, wherein on the piping, once you get to the top, just roll it across the thread which you've created and again pass through the beads and lock your work passing through the pom-pom, and you can trim the thread. So this is how I will complete the whole of the saree with these pom-poms. This is how my palla is after completing the saree. I hope you would like it. They'll be very beautifully dazzling on your sarees or dupattas, even on kids' frocks, t-shirts. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe.